We don't turn down with the chairman of PDP for Edo State, where everybody know as Dr. Anthony Aziegbemi. We say make it come Chukma for the judgment where they do yesterday, how they ready for the election where they come 25th of March for the House of Assembly matter, and make it the Chukma for the Obogetis where their government don't do so fast is Mr. Governor can't join the hand don't work rich where they will begin the point. Say that this one governor do, make people join her for election to vote PDP people, make the big point to all these things where governor don't do for the state. He go took back for those things. He go talk it about for the matter we come out for court yesterday. He go begin tell people how he go fit unite the two factions to become one. He go begin make us understand, say, when they come together, victory na their own.
My name is Tony Aziegbemi. I may be the Oga Patapata for PDP for Edo State. My people, what happened yesterday for Supreme Court? As far as we did for PDP, nobody win, nobody lose. Now all of us now win. All PDP people now win for the state. And now all Edo people now win because if you go for PDP, you go good for Edo people. So since yesterday now, I don't they call everybody. I say I beg. That Supreme Court judgment, if you not favor you today, I beg. We could come together, make we win this election, make Nigeria not they suffer. They suffer too much. Since yesterday, I don't call reach 10, 15 people. They beg. Say I beg. May they forget the court case. Make we come together. Because if we come together really, the other parties they're not going to get reach 5% for the state. Now what will they find? Because they suffer too much. You know, if you take money from bank, no fuel, no diesel, no food, prices they rise. If not for government, we do security, kidnapping everywhere. So Edo people, we don't tire for this APC government. So that makes me I beg all of them. This one we PDP don't go for PDP yesterday, so you go good for all of us for Edo.
Make I ask you, you don't make call reach these people from the other side. How they don't respond so far?
Some they talk well with me, but some they talk well at all. But I understand that one. It's normal. You know that kind of thing, the anger, the frustration, the disappointment. Now human beings now all of us be now. In me too, for very small too now. But what I hope say maybe another one day or two, I will talk to everybody. And we're supposed to meet and talk to each other well. I still continue to call them until they will talk well. Well, they will talk well. Now be PDP now. You know, for PDP, we not they fight to finish. We will fight small. Settle, fight again, settle. So I just say we will settle.
If they not respond between now and 24th, they not respond, they not join una, they not carry body join una for the election. How you see the winning for this una side for PDP for Edo State?
No, they will join us. They will join us. They will join. They are PDP people. These are core PDP people. They be real PDP. The PDP blood, they their body. There's no way they're not going to join us. No way in this world. I don't believe in any one of them not going to join us. Because what for Karapo? They won't go join APC. When nobody won't touch with long spoon. I've been that man win so figure, they reel out. And you know they add up. They give example with Bangladesh, with Sri Lanka, with how they go Egypt. All those things. This is Nigeria. Our problem not be all those kind of figure when that one they talk. So only PDP be the only option when the people get to vote for. So I expect say all of them, no, they will come.
We say make we chukma for your governor and our governor for the state. How far you don't go for development? At least when on the campaign, when I go see something they point and when I go see something they tell people say, the reason why I go vote for PDP now because of governor and he don't do gidigba. If you tell Edo people waiting, how far you don't go?
Kai, this governor surprised me, sha. I don't believe say the man will do the plenty things we don't do for this state. But I want to start. We could start with power. This 95 megawatts Chairmo power plant, private partnership program. We need to do with one Chinese company. We don't give light to secretariat buildings, some of the houses in around GROA. That is now only those states now get that kind of thing. No state don't get that kind. If they generate power, they distribute and they give to power homes. That is a first in the whole country. Now, governor, now do Victor Waifo creative hub. Now, Governor Naidu Edo Tech Park. That place, now there all those small boys, where in their brain they hot. And then they generate programs, when they feel they sell, they get plenty money for themselves and for their families. Now, Governor Naidu, this is the only state, Edo State, now is the only state in this country as we speak, when we say from north to south to east to west, if any kidnapping happen, governor get security when they know the exact position where those people dey. See the way the train station when they attack for Igwebe. It took this governor just 1 week to locate those people, free the kidnapped citizens. It's only Edo State that has that kind of cover. I've been at the education sector, the Edo best. When we say people now for us, public schools, they are doing better than private schools. And obviously they increase price. They don't want to suit me pass. Federal government say they won't do minimum wage, 35,000. Our governor, the only governor in this country, increase them to 40,000. And only this governor for this country, now they pay salary every 26th of every month, no fail. Now this same governor, last 2 weeks here, now he released 1.something billion for pensioners. I'm not saying our state now get money pass some other states, but see the way they manage the small money when they come well. So Edo people, we need to vote for PDP so that make a hand strong when you want to negotiate with Atiku Abubakar, we're going to win for February 25th. If we not vote, if we not get enough votes, a hand go weak. And if you vote for them, the way they manage our resources and manage our people here, I sure say you go fit negotiate well with Atiku Abubakar, the incoming president, so that Edo State will get more federal presence for the state.
Make we ask the last question, where BC not going to be the last. How now don't sensitize, PDP don't sensitize the citizen for Edo for these voters card collections?
We don't talk plenty. We even get jingles from the party where we tell Edo people, so they go pick up their PVC. That is your power. And then your power day. And when you pick that PVC, when they hear say the other party say they get plenty money when they won't give you now, make you take the money, vote PDP. Because now money in the first instance, when person they bring, can't give you now. So I beg, if you never stay collect, you can collect your PVC now for INEC headquarters for your local government. Just go there. No mind the time when you go spend. You know what take now? Maximum 5-10 minutes, they'll give you your card. You keep them well. So on the 25th, you go stay for line gidigba. Make sure say you vote for PDP so that better things will come Edo State.
Thank you very much, sir. And I hope to see you again. If we work out come here, you go to receive us before election. We go talk many things when it be say. Then they do where be say people not they know. Maybe some television not they feel rich where they to know what they don't do for the state. As PDP, before you become governor, you go get party where you belong to. So this one a PDP government where be say the governor they do all get things for the state. It don't remove suffer come out for people life. It don't erect power where it don't do so many things. Pensioners they happy, workers they happy for house. And he took man put yours and say the trust when he get for a governor for development not be here. Say make una begin to emulate what the governor they do. Make una take do for the people they want vote for, so make they vote for PDP. We don't turn out with Dr. Tony Aziegbemi, PDP chairman for Edo State.